All right, 6:44. Let's check in with Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver for a look at the GDP numbers from November, and things are looking pretty good.
Yeah, in fact, economists at TD Bank, they're describing this as the healthiest GDP report they've seen in recent memory. And this is coming after the Canadian economy expanded for the fourth time in 5 months. So if we break down the numbers, we see that GDP is up in November. This is according to Statistics Canada by 0.4%. And we're seeing big gains in the oil and gas sector, which of course is very, very important to the Canadian economy. That's up 1.3%. Also worth noting, manufacturing is up 1.4%. So that's a bit of an indicator that maybe exports are on the rise as well, which is exactly what the Bank of Canada wants. With regards to BC, I have to say it's a bit more of a mixed bag. We have the real estate sector falling a little bit. These are the real estate services, say brokerages, realtors, etc. It's down 0.2%, even as the residential construction sector is going up 2%. So you're wondering why that is? Well, most of the gains that we see in construction, it's actually coming from home improvement as opposed to new construction there. So overall, at BC, I don't think we're in a bad position. I think we're in actually a much better position than pretty much every single province out there. But just be warned that the real estate sector, we are seeing signs that it is slowing down compared to some of those highs we were seeing last year.
Absolutely. All right. And in other news today, StubHub, a website that many of us have frequented when we're looking for those concert tickets or other events, they're making a bit of a change to their website.
Yeah, they're the Canada's the second largest market for StubHub, but would you believe that they don't actually accept Canadian currency right now? You have to buy tickets with US dollars, and they don't even have a French language website. So they want to get all that change starting in June. This is according to a report from the Canadian Press, and really open up the Canadian market, because last year they sold about 1 million tickets to about 5,000 events. But if you look at the size of the Canadian market, it actually, we're punching above our weight versus the Americans. The market for tickets was worth $6 billion last year versus the $30 billion down in the United States. And ticket resales, StubHub estimates that accounts for $1.5 billion in Canada. So if they can expand that here, I think that they're going to do a lot more business. And it's going to be a lot more convenient if you can just buy in Canadian dollars as opposed to having to worry about that conversion rate on your credit card at the end of the month. That's always something that I have to think about when I'm buying from U.S. retailers.
Absolutely. It definitely does kind of deter you when you see that, when you don't have that option for Canadian dollars.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, Tyler, thanks very much.